If you're seeing a Steam HTTP error, don't worry. In most cases, this is a fixable networking issue and not a problem with your Steam account. In today's video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix Steam HTTP errors step by step, including clearing the built-in browser cache, refreshing your download region, and resetting your network stack so Steam can connect properly again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about why this happens. A Steam HTTP error usually means the Steam client is having trouble communicating with Valve's web servers. That can happen because of stale browser data inside Steam, a bad cached session, or corrupted DNS routing on your computer. The good news is that these are all common issues, and you can usually fix them in just a few minutes. The first fix is to clear the in-game browser cache. Steam's store and community pages use a built-in browser, and if the cookies or cache data get stuck, Steam can throw a 400 series HTTP error like 403 access denied. To do this, open Steam and go to Steam settings. From there, click on in-game. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the option to delete web browser data. Click delete, then restart Steam completely. This is one of the most effective fixes because it clears out corrupted browser data and forces Steam to load fresh information from Valve's servers. If the error is still happening after that, the next step is what I like to call the region refresh. Sometimes the server node in your area may be overloaded or temporarily unavailable, and that can trigger a 500 series HTTP error, which usually points to a server-side communication issue. To try this fix, go back into Steam settings and open the download section. Look for download region, then switch it to a different city or even a different country if needed. After you change it, restart Steam again. This forces Steam to connect through a different set of relays and can instantly solve connection problems that are tied to your local region. Now for the third fix, which is very helpful if Steam is still not connecting properly. We're going to flush the network stack and reset DNS. If your computer is trying to reach a Steam server that has changed addresses, or if your local network cache is outdated, Steam may time out or fail with an HTTP error. To do this, open Command Prompt as an administrator. You can do that by searching for Command Prompt, right-clicking it, and choosing Run as Administrator. Once the window opens, type the first command, ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. After that, type neatsh winsock reset and press enter again. These commands clear old DNS records and reset your Winsock settings, which often fixes stubborn Steam connectivity issues. After running them, restart your PC so the changes fully take effect. Once your computer boots back up, open Steam and test the store or community pages again. In many cases, one of these three steps will completely fix the Steam HTTP error. If not, the issue may be related to your antivirus, firewall, or a broader internet connection problem, but for most users, clearing browser data, changing download region, and resetting the network stack solves it. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe because I post simple tech fixes that save you time and frustration. And if this video helped you get Steam working again, hit the like button so more people can find this fix too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.